Hey everyone, imagine a printer that fits into a tight studio, whispers while it works, and still throws out gallery quality. 36-inch color prints faster than you can say deadline. That's the HP DesignJet T1600 PostScript inkjet large format printer. And today we're diving deep into why this compact powerhouse could become the backbone of your creative workflow. First off, let us talk space and silence. Most large format printers are hulking beasts that dominate a corner and roar like a freight train. The T1600 flips that script. Its footprint is roughly the size of a standard office desk, and the acoustic engineering keeps the noise level down to a murmur perfect for open-plan studios, architecture firms, or any environment where concentration matters. Because it's so compact, you can place it right next to your design stations, eliminating the dreaded printer trek and keeping the whole team in the loop. Now, ease of use is where HP really shines. The printer comes with a radical simple interface and the most intuitive PDF workflow you'll find on any large format device. You simply drop a PDF into the queue, hit print, and the T1600's built-in Adobe PDF Print Engine takes over, interpreting layers, spot colors, and line weights with surgical precision. This means no more fiddling with third-party drivers or re-exporting files to fit printer specifications. Your architects can send a 1100 scale blueprint. Your marketers can push a vibrant trade show banner, and the printer will render every line, gradient, and hue exactly as intended. Speed is another game changer. The T1600 delivers up to 15 square feet per hour in color and an impressive 20 square feet per hour in black and white. Coupled with an integrated automatic print stacking unit, you can print a batch of posters, roll them onto the stacker, and walk away while the machine quietly builds a neat pile. No manual handling, no risk of smudging, and no missed deadlines. Compare that to a typical 24-inch wide inkjet that might take twice as long and require you to intervene after each sheet. Suddenly, the T1600 looks like a sprint versus a marathon. Mobility and collaboration have never been easier thanks to the HP Smart app. From your iPhone, Android, or tablet, you can select a file, adjust settings, and send it straight to the printer over Wi-Fi. Need a quick proof on the shop floor? Snap a photo, upload, and print a full-size proof in minutes. This on-the-go capability cuts down the back-and-forth email chain and lets remote teams stay in sync, whether they're in a client's office or a co-working space across town. Security is often an afterthought in print hardware, but the T1600 makes it the centerpiece. It's the world's most secure large format printer, featuring HP's embedded security firmware, secure boot, and encrypted data transmission. You control who can access the device through role-based permissions, and confidential engineering drawings stay locked behind authentication. For firms handling proprietary designs, think aerospace, automotive, or high-end product development, this level of protection is non-negotiable. It also simplifies IT management because the printer can be integrated into existing network security policies, reducing the risk of a data breach through an overlooked peripheral. Let us paint a real-world picture. Picture an architecture studio racing to deliver construction documents for a city council meeting. The lead architect finalizes a 30 by 48-inch site plan, uploads the PDF from their laptop, and taps print on the HP Smart app. Within minutes, the T1600 produces a crisp, color-accurate plot, automatically stacks it, and notifies the team via a push alert. The junior designer, working remotely, receives the same alert on their tablet, grabs the physical copy from the stack, and adds annotations. All of this happens without anyone leaving their desk, without noisy interruptions, and with the confidence that the design hasn't been intercepted or altered. Or consider a marketing agency creating a series of 36-inch banners for a trade show. They need bold, saturated colors that pop under exhibition lighting. The Adobe PDF Print Engine ensures that spot colors translate perfectly, while the high-density HP Vivera inks deliver a wide gamut and excellent durability. The automatic stacker lets the production manager load a fresh roll, print a batch of 20 banners, and walk away to focus on logistics, knowing the printer will keep the output consistent and error-free. In short, the HP DesignJet T1600 blends compact design, whisper-quiet operation, lightning-fast output, seamless mobile printing, and enterprise-grade security into a single 36-inch workhorse. It eliminates the usual trade-offs between size, speed, and quality, making it a compelling choice for architects, engineers, designers, and marketers alike. If you're ready to upgrade your large format workflow, hit the link below to explore pricing and availability, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. Trust me, once you experience the T1600's blend of power and poise, you'll wonder how you ever printed without it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.